This is a video of Bella. She is gonna do something. You don't like this in your face, do you, Bella? Answer me, Bella. Answer me, please. Please, will you answer me? Please. Just a little. No, you aren't. You're not answering me. Come on, Bella. Answer. Hey, you don't do that. You don't. That's what bad kitties do.
You get it, Bella.
Oh no, you know what is that thing's moving? You should explain.
Oh, it's probably like a beam of light that she's.
No, I think it's just the.
What did she do?
Bella, please do something. She did something! Finally! She licked her paw! Yay!
Jessica, you keep shaking the picture.
I know. Oh. Belle, do something cool. Please. Then they'll do something cool. Or Teal do something cool. Or you'll do something cool. Or that cat over there looking through a window will do something. Come on, do something. Hey, you're messing up my video, Andrew. Now you're in the video. Sup, dude? Hey, it's not all 8-year-olds. I'm posting this on YouTube. Okay, this is getting old.